Hey everyone, I'm Brent with Venom doing a video on vacuum-brazed tools. I call them crossover tools. Tools that are being used in the tile as well as the full slab industry. Here's what's good about vacuum-brazed. Vacuum-brazed tools work on everything out there from marble, Decton, porcelain, quartzite, you name it. And what's happened is a lot of the contractors out there working in the houses are doing stuff in people's houses and they're coming across all types of tile and they have no idea what it is. It could be porcelain, it could be stone. Even to an expert from the outside, it's tough to tell. Vacuum brazed tools work on everything and you don't have to know what it is. It's equally high performance on marble, Decton, porcelain, granite, quartzite, quartz. You name it, it works on it. It even works on certain types of metals and woods, like it'll cut through nails. So I'm going to go over some products that we are carrying at Venompads.com and also more that we're coming out with. So what I have in my hand is a dual sink bit. I carry this in 3 sizes, and it can drill and it also can make a drain bevel. So it cores and bevels. It's called a dual sink bit, people will call it. Then you have what's called a multi-layer bit. This drills and bevels, so it has all types of uses. You could make bevels, you can make holes, it can do the faucet drains to the faucet sink holes to the drains. Once again, these work on everything, and these things are so cheap. Like this thing's like only like 20 bucks. Unbelievable, right? And that's the other thing with vacuum brazed technology. It's about 70%, like 75% cheaper. So what you spend $100 on like regular traditional diamond segments, you would only be spending like it's a $25 ratio to 100 of the other way. So we have this. Then we have what I call a Decton blade. It's the same thing, vacuum brazed. These things are so cheap. I sell tons of them. Everyone loves them. They work great. Now, the other thing was I started with core bits that were regular vacuum brazed, which are awesome. But what came out lately was another thing. It's called Eric's vacuum brazed. The sunlight's coming in there. You can see it. So it's once again, it's vacuum brazed, but it's lined up. So it's more higher performance. I only carry them in all the core bits. Eventually, they're working on the technology to making it on other stuff. So this is a huge seller. And once again, they work, you know, they don't last great. I mean, they don't last long, but they're really cheap. So you get your money's worth out of them. Like I said, they work really effective because basically in traditional segments called sintered, it's impregnated in like a metal bond. There's like a matrix. The diamonds are all on one level. So once those, so it cuts fast, cuts actually faster than regular diamonds. It just won't last long. But once again, the price is so cheap, you get your money's worth out of it. Like you can get 5 core bits for the 4 core bits for the price you would get 1 regular one. So you get your money's worth. Now, the other thing is, what's great about vacuum brazed is they make different grits. In my hand, I have CNC finger bits. These things are only 20 bucks. You know, if you buy 10 or more, I could do them for 15 a piece. That's an amazing price on finger bits. It comes, right now I have them in coarse and medium. And these can be made up many grits as you want. That's the other thing. They're real easy to make grits so you can cut and then eventually almost shine certain materials with this. This is a half gas. I'm going to start making these eventually where the thread is 5/8 11. These are 14 millimeter. This was for a custom order, but we have these in stock. You can get these exact ones. Like I said, 20 bucks. If you buy 5 or more, I could do 15 a piece. Vacuum brazed finger bits. Then we have for the grinders, these guys, 5/8 11 female. These are the ones for the hand grinders. And I have these in all types of size. Like I said, if you go on my website, you'll be shocked of how cheap these things are. And what's amazing is they work fantastic. Like I said, it shreds everything like butter. Literally, like I said, quartzite, quartz, granite, you name it, it rips through it. And you're going to start seeing in the year 26, these getting very popular. Anyone interested, let me know, because I could also start making these. Right now I only bring them in coarse, but I could start making these in the different grits like I did the finger bits. Check out Vacuum-brazed.com if you're interested in any of these products.